Don't worry, we are help you. Don't skip the video. Watch carefully. Press the down volume button and power button at the same time. Connect to PC. Connecting. After screen off, release the down volume button. Press the up volume button and hold the power button. Hold the up volume button. Now you can see the recovery mode. Select the Wipe Data Factory Reset. Select the Factory Data Reset. Reboot system now. Please wait a few seconds. Successfully work completed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.